Hoteling, his analysis led to what is now known as Hoteling's rule. That is the price of exhaustible resources net of marginal extraction costs increase at a rate equal to the interest rate. Or, as worded by Cairns on page 79, Hoteling's rule is an arbitrage condition for the use of an asset through the allocation of extraction over different time periods. As Cairns shows, relatively simple algebra gives Hoteling's rule. Here, P refers to the price of the resource at time t, with marginal extraction costs G depending on the stock size Q. Delta P refers to the price difference between period t and the next t plus 1. And R is used for the rate of interest. Now consider this page 80. The proceeds from a single unit of resource extracted at time t and invested for one period are of principal and of interest. We see this expressed at the left-hand side of the equation. If instead that unit is not extracted until t plus 1, the owner gains the new price minus the marginal extraction cost. Here we make a simplifying assumption that we can neglect the change in Q over the previous period as being small compared to Q, which ensures that the marginal extraction costs remain the same between both periods, an innocent assumption that will be useful for rearranging terms. Subsequent substitution of delta P plus Pt for Pt plus 1, followed by some rearranging of terms, gives Hoteling's rule that the price of exhaustible resources minus marginal extraction cost increases at a rate equal to the interest rate. A review by Krautkramer provides the intuition. A stock of a renewable asset can be viewed as an asset that generates returns over time. An important opportunity cost of current extraction and consumption of a unit of the resource is that there is less to extract and consume in the future. This opportunity cost of depletion is known by a variety of terms. User cost, to reflect the cost of decreasing the future availability of the resource. In situ value, to reflect the marginal value of the resource stock in place. And resource rent, to reflect the difference between price and marginal extraction cost. Asset market equilibrium requires that the rate of return on holding the non-renewable resource stock to equal the rate of return to other assets.